welcome to school too.
I'm going to Abari's place to go and pay him the money that I owe you.
Okay.
But I want to do a quick business with you. The business is 50-50. You see, I have 5 million naira here.
5 million naira?
Yeah, I want to go and pay Abari. Look at it.
Hey!
So, immediately, yes. Like 10 minutes time now, we'll be there. Immediately, I hand over the money to him. You just come and rob him.
Okay.
Yeah?
Make I just come.
You rob him, I'll come to your house, I'll collect my 2.5. Take your 2.5.
Okay, that means we'll share our 50-50 with that.
Yeah, 50-50.
Okay, no wahala, no wahala.
Yeah.
I go meet you. No wahala. What's the business?
You know you can be prosecuted.
Linkacha like bono ndineriego. Abalolo negacha Malaysia bulego nata Naija manililo yeli. Idoba nukwego na bank yago.
What? Phone card? Jesus is Lord. You will end up in my gutter.
Oh, why is everybody to behave like this now? I go to hand over it to him before you come and collect it now. It's when I've already given him.
Ogana, you don't know.
Yes. Yeah, where is Abari?
Abari go watch ball now.
You go watch ball? Oh. Okay, I'm coming back.
I hear me to need.
Onye kaga kosala no na golo bolo dogu. Okazinu ma cause when you die. Egi selo. Achoga follow.
He just packed his things. He said he was traveling.
What? Phone card? Jesus is Lord.
Hey! He packed his things like
School too.